This year, millions of people typed the same exact sentence into Google. How do I make money online? They didn't do this because they were lazy. They did it because salaries just weren't enough anymore. Bills kept rising, inflation was squeezing their budgets, and the internet looked like the only real escape. But here's the problem, and it's a big one. Most of what people find when they search for that is either completely outdated, wildly exaggerated, or, let's be honest, a straight-up lie. You know how it goes. You watch one video, and they promise you overnight success with some secret formula. Then you click on another one that says you need thousands of dollars just to get started. Then you find a third one that tells you, anyone can do this. But they conveniently never show you exactly how. And after hours of watching, after falling down that rabbit hole, you're still broke. You're still confused. And you're still feeling stuck right where you started. But what if the problem isn't you? What if the reason you haven't succeeded yet is simply because you've been shown all the wrong paths? In this video, I'm going to show you real, practical ways people can actually make money online in 2026. There's no hype here. No talk of shortcuts or get-rich-quick schemes. Just proven methods that still work, even if you're a complete beginner with no experience. And the last one? It's the one most people completely ignore, and that's precisely why it works so well. Let us start with one of the most powerful and accessible online income models today, selling digital products. Now, when I say digital products, I'm not talking about creating massive online courses or developing complicated software. I'm talking about simple PDFs. That's it. Think about things like budget planners, career guides, workout checklists, or social media templates. The reason this model is so effective is simple. You create it once, and you can sell it over and over and over again. It's a true create once, sell forever asset. And here's the part that most people miss, the part that holds them back. You don't need to be a world-renowned expert to do this. You just need to be one single step ahead of someone else. If you've solved a problem in your own life, even a small one, I guarantee there's someone else out there who is still stuck in that exact problem, and they're willing to pay for the solution you've already figured out. Next up is freelancing, but probably not in the way you've heard about it before. Forget about trying to compete with thousands of other people on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, who offer a little bit of everything. In 2026, the key to winning as a freelancer is specialization. You need to pick one clear skill and serve one clear audience. It could be writing for a specific industry, like tech startups. It could be graphic design for local restaurants. Or it could be something as straightforward as data entry, customer support, or even AI assistance. The game has changed. People and businesses aren't just paying for raw talent anymore. What they're really paying for is clarity and speed. If you can help a business save time or make more money with a specific focused skill, they will gladly pay you for it. Your ability to solve a specific problem is your most valuable asset. Now let's talk about the big one, AI-assisted income. A lot of people were scared that AI would take their jobs. But AI didn't take jobs. It just changed who gets paid. The people who are effectively using AI in their work are earning more. Not because they're necessarily smarter, but because they're faster and more efficient. Think about all the tasks you can accelerate with AI, writing emails, summarizing long research documents, creating video scripts just like this one, or automating repetitive administrative tasks. The opportunity here isn't in building the next AI model. You don't need to be a coder or a tech genius. The real opportunity is in learning how to use these existing AI tools better than anyone else in your field. And believe me, companies are actively looking for and paying a premium for that skill right now. The fourth method is content combined with affiliate marketing. And I need to be clear, you do not need to be a famous influencer or have millions of followers to earn a substantial income from content. You just need to understand one thing: search intent. People are already going to Google, YouTube, and Pinterest every single day, searching for answers to their problems. Your job is simply to show up where they are looking. You can create a YouTube channel, a Pinterest profile, or a simple blog. The model is straightforward. You teach something you know. You recommend helpful tools or products that you genuinely use. And when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. There's no dancing required. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. There's no pressure to go viral. All you need is consistency. Just consistently show up and provide value, and the audience and income will follow. Okay, now for method number 5, the most underrated method of them all. This one doesn't look sexy or glamorous on the surface, and that's exactly why most people scroll right past it. I'm talking about paid research studies, user testing websites, and task-based platforms. Companies, from small startups to giant corporations like Google and Amazon, will pay you real money. Not for creating content or selling a product, but simply for your opinions and feedback. They need real users to test their websites, apps, and products before they launch them to the public. It's not going to make you rich overnight, that's true. But it can easily bring in an extra few $100s a month. More importantly, it builds momentum. It proves to you that making money online is real. And that initial momentum can change everything. The truth is, making money online isn't about finding some secret hack or getting lucky. It's about choosing one path, just one, and having the discipline to stay on it long enough to see the results. So many people quit way too early. Not because the method doesn't work, but because it doesn't work as fast as they wanted it to. You don't need anyone's permission to start. You don't need your first attempt to be perfect. And you definitely don't need to wait until next year to begin. Pick one of these methods. Just one. And take one small step today, because the internet rewards action, not intention. And the real question isn't, can you make money online? The real question is, will you actually start before another year passes you by? Subscribe for more simple, honest money lessons that school never taught you. Thanks for watching.